I upload new recipes every week just like this, so if you like food, make sure you hit subscribe and click notify to stay up to date. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients that we need are 800 grams of chicken fillet which I've cut into large pieces, 3 cups of rice which I will wash, 3 large onions and I've chopped that. I've got half a cup of chopped tomatoes, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. The spices I've got is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and I've got about 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can adjust that to your taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 large tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 heaped tablespoon of ghee. I've got some baby potatoes, red pepper cut into large chunks. I've got whole spices here, cardamom pods, black pepper, clove. I've got some star anise as well, and also I've got some fresh coriander leaves. Okay, so in the pot we are going to add in the oil, the ghee, whole spices, the whole cumin. We're just going to give that a stir. And then the chopped onions. And we're going to cook these onions until they are nice and golden brown. Okay guys, so now the onions are ready and they're nice and golden. We are now going to add in the ginger and garlic paste. So I'm just going to cook the ginger and garlic inside so it doesn't taste so raw. And then we're going to add in the chicken. And just give that a stir. So I'm just going to put the heat up a little bit to medium. I'm going to cover this and then I'm just going to come back to it and check it. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a quick mix. You can still see that there is still a lot of water in there, so we need to cook this for a bit longer. Okay, so the chicken is nicely done. We can see that the water's evaporated and you should be able to see the mixture of the oil and the ghee here. And now what we're going to do is add in all the spices, apart from the garam masala, and also the tomatoes. So now we're just going to cook this gently as well, making sure we don't break any of the chicken pieces. So I'm just going to cover again for about 2-3 minutes. Just let the tomatoes and spices cook through and then I'll come back to it. So now we're ready to add in the other ingredients. So we're going to add in the rice. The red peppers, the garam masala. I've added the green coriander leaves as well and I've chopped that up. And then I'm just going to give that a stir. And also I'm going to throw in the potatoes as well. You can peel them if you want to, but I've kept them in the skin because I want to keep them whole. And also I'm going to add in about 5.5 cups of water. And we're just going to give that a mix. And at this point, after you've given that stir, you can just taste the water. If you need to add any more salt, or if you want to add some more chili powder, then you can do that as well. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just going to cover that. I'm going to leave that to cook on medium, and then I'm going to come back to this in about 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of steam. We're going to carry on cooking this on low heat or low to medium. We're going to cook this until the rice is done and the water has evaporated. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comments below, or you can even tag me in a picture. If you've made this before, I would love to hear what you did different. If you enjoy this, please do give me a thumbs up, and to see more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.